Hi everyone, this is Legend of Keith and we're back with another video. Today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to do a simple card trick that can fool most people if it's done correctly. But first I'm going to give a shout out to the people that commented on the previous video. So in 3, 2, 1, the shoutouts are on the screen, and without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So first I'm just going to be doing the card trick, and then I will give a tutorial on how to do it. So I'm just going to shuffle the cards right now to begin the card trick. And then I'll show you that all the cards are messed up, no specific order. Then I'll just cut the card deck anywhere. I'll just quickly cut it. And then I'm just going to flip the cards over. And then the fourth card down here will tell me the fourth card over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The ace of hearts is going to tell me there's going to be a queen of hearts here. 2, 3, 4. It's a queen of hearts. Stay tuned for the tutorial. Here's a tutorial on how to do the card trick. So first, you or the person you're trying to trick has to shuffle the deck. It doesn't matter how they shuffle, just make sure it's shuffled. Just make sure the deck is shuffled. And then what you want to do is get the cards back if you gave it to the person you're trying to fool to shuffle. But if you just shuffle, that's okay. Then you're going to show out all the cards to him, to show to him or her, to show that that the cards are messed up. But while you're doing this, the trick is you actually look at the fourth card from the top, which is the Queen of Diamonds, and then just continue showing them the deck. But the reason that they don't know that you're actually looking at the Queen of Diamonds or like the fourth card down in the deck is you're doing it in such a fast motion that it looks like you're just showing it very fast, so they wouldn't really catch that you're looking at the Queen of Diamonds or the fourth card down from the deck in your case. And then what you want to do is just cut the deck anywhere. So let's just say I just cut it from here. This is a really important step now. Now since you have two halves, you must flip the cards over. So after you flip the cards over, you're going to say this. The fourth card down in your right deck will tell me what the fourth card down in my left deck is. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I got a 7 of diamonds. It doesn't really matter what card. It could be like a 2 of clubs here, or it doesn't matter. So this is just here to like trick the person so the person thinks that this card actually has to do something with it, but it doesn't. So the 7 of diamonds, so that means it will be. Then you can just say it's going to be a queen of diamonds. So then 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's the queen. And that's how you do the card trick that I just did. And please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And comment, and then be sure to comment and tell me if this card trick worked on your family and friends. And see you in the next one, guys. Peace.